Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and selecting the access method. You need permission, so use an admin or approved read-level account. Once connected, confirm the system type, Linux, Windows, or Cloud instance, because commands differ. Open your terminal or remote tool now, SSH for Linux, RDP for Windows, or the Cloud Provider Console for Cloud VMs. You do this to avoid delays and to ensure commands you run will return the server ID without extra troubleshooting. Next, execute the exact command for the environment so you get the canonical server ID. On Linux, use cat/etc/hostname or hostnametal. Hostname gives the short name. Hostnametal shows ID details. On Windows, run wmixsysproduct get UID for a hardware identifier or hostname for the network name. On Cloud VMs, query the metadata service or view the instance details in the console. Cloud metadata usually exposes a unique instance ID. Make sure to capture output verbatim for records. Finally, verify the value and record it in your inventory. This prevents later confusion. Once you have the ID, cross-check it against system logs, configuration files, or the Cloud Provider Console so you confirm it's the same identifier used in monitoring. If all matches, document the format you found, hostname, UUID, or Cloud Instance ID, and note the retrieval time. If you encounter a mismatch or blank result, rerun the command. Check access permissions and inspect systemd or provider metadata, often a permissions or metadata endpoint issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.